In this presentation, I will be showing you some of the division by decimal, and I will show you that how my decimal got fixed up. So suppose if I go for 2.2 divided by zero point 0.2, it will give me a value of 11. So let's check it out over here. 2.2 divided by zero point 0.2, it gives me the value of 11. So exactly the same. Now what I will do is, if I go for 0.6 divided by 3, that is also going to give me a value of 0.2. That's absolutely fine. Next one would be 3.3 divided by 3 would give me a value of 1.1. Initially there was a long trail of zeros were there, so that issues also got resolved. One more thing I can go for, like 2.2. This is not division, this is multiplication. 0.2, this was also generating a long series of zeros. If you see my video 3 or part 3, you will find the long trail of zeros was there. That finally got resolved. Now I will show you a few more important things, like something like 31.773 divided by 5.1. Here comes a very important thing. If you go for a long division method, you will be getting the same output. Let me show you over here. Even 31.773 divided by 5.1 equals to exactly the same output you can get over here. But in some of the cases there will be slight different, and that is also why I will be saying you something like 56.9 divided by 3. The output that you will be getting is this, but if you go and check it out over here, 56.9 divided by 3, the output that you will be getting is 18.96666 and then 7. What I have done is that I have made a fixed precision, that how many after decimal, how many value you can show up, that has been fixed over here. So I was thinking that what if I can give over here another input, that the user will give a number, and then accordingly the number of set precision will also be shown over here. So that can add a little bit of dynamic property in my program. The same thing will happen for a number like 135 divided by 0.00, and then if I go for 44, again exactly you will be saying the same thing over here. In fact, the same thing will occur over here. Even 135 divided by 0.0044, over here also you will be seeing a long trail of 1818181, and it continues. Since I have done it as a set precision, so as the last digit is 8, so it it rounded off to the near 1 got rounded off to 2. Okay, so if I add a text box over here, and if I take that number accordingly, I can go for set precision, so it will add little bit different flavor. Well, that also I will keep it in mind, and in my next video I will be taking care of my percentage, because in this video I think my decimal issue got resolved. So let's wait for the next video. Until then, have a nice time.